Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I hope you will find this time to talk about Prabhas to take on shooting for Kalki 2898 18 Part 2 from 2nd January. Here's what we know. The production of Kalki 2898 and Part 2 is set to commence in February. Prabhas is working on Sandeep Ravi Bangal's Spirit and has Fuji in the pipeline. By Levine for published on 28 January 2026. Superstar Prabhas has a lot in his kitty right now. In November last year, the actor he started filming Sandeep Reddy and Vanguard's Spirit. News reports suggest that the actor will soon be heading to the sets to begin work on the sequel to Kalki 2898 early. Read on for more details. Prabhas to begin shooting for Kalki 2898 as part 2 from 2nd February. Spirit and Kalki 2898 AD Part 2 are some of the most awaited projects of Indian actor Prabhas. While he is working on Spirit, reports suggest that the actor will begin shooting for Kalki 2898 AD Part 2 from 2nd February 2026. Talking to X formerly Twitter, Bhishma talks Steffi Rebel Star, hashtag Prabhas back into action, hashtag Kalki to shoot from 2nd February, then locks in key dates for hashtag Spirit after 15th February. The publication also mentioned that Prabhas has logged in 15 February 2026 to resume working on Spirit. Earlier, Pankvilla reported that the actor is expected to wrap up its entire shoot within just 95 days. Apparently, Vanga charted the shooting schedule meticulously to complete the film within this time frame. Having said that, no official confirmation has been issued by the makers so far. Talking about Spirit, the upcoming actioner marks Prabhas' first collaboration with Sandeep Radivanga, assumed to be an intense cop drama. The movie also stars Tripati Dimri, Vivek Oberoi, and Prakash Raj. Rumor has it that the actor will be portraying an ex-IPS officer or a police officer fighting a crime syndicate in the entertainer. Spirit is expected to hit cinemas on 5th March 2027. As for Kalki 2898 AD Part 2, it's a sequel to the 2024 box office hit film co-starring Amitabh Bachchan, Kamal Hassan, Prabhas, Deepika Padukone, and Tisha Patani. In Part 2, Prabhas will reportedly be portraying the dual roles of Breva and Karna. If he is set to star in production in February 2026, then the movie might hit cinemas by 2028. Prabhas started the year with a fantasy horror comedy film titled Raja Sab apart from Spirit and the spiritual sequel to Kalki 2898 AD. He is also working on filming Hano Fuji. For more updates, stay tuned to Pinkvilla. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.